In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add poll in WordPress website. Polls are a quick way to gather opinions, increase engagement, and make your content more interactive. We'll walk through opening the editor, finding the poll block, and placing it exactly where you want, with a few helpful tips along the way. First, head to your WordPress dashboard and open the editor for the place you want the poll to appear. That could be a page, a post, or a site template if you're using the site editor. Make sure you're in the block editor view so you can add blocks to your content area. If you're starting from scratch, create or open the page or post where the poll will live. Give yourself a clear spot in the layout so the poll is easy for visitors to notice and use. Next, open the block inserter. This is the plus icon you'll see at the top left of the editor, and you may also see a smaller plus button right inside the content area where your cursor is. Clicking either one reveals the library of blocks you can add to your site. If you prefer keyboard shortcuts, the quick inserter appears when you type a / in an empty paragraph. In the block inserter's search field, type the word poll. You should see a poll block show up in the results. Depending on your setup, the poll block may be provided by a WordPress feature or a plugin available on your site. If you don't immediately see it, try clearing any filters in the inserter and double check that you're searching from the main block list. Select the poll block to add it to your page. It will drop into the spot where your cursor is, and the sidebar settings will show options for the block. Click into the poll to set your question, then add your choices as separate options. You can add more options with the Add Option button, reorder them by dragging the handles, and remove any you don't need. Use the block toolbar and settings to adjust alignment, width, and behavior, such as allowing single or multiple selections and whether results appear after voting. Place the poll in a prominent location, and if you change your mind, you can move it by dragging the block or using the up and down arrows. When it looks right, preview your changes, then save or publish so the poll goes live. And that's it. You've opened WordPress, used the block inserter, searched for the poll block, and added it to your page with clear settings and placement.